All right, guys, we are going out on our first ice fishing trip of the season. We got all the stuff sitting out here. We got ice auger, ice house, some chairs, our fishing gear, heater, big propane tank. I always got to take a shovel and then a sled. And we're gonna get all this stuff put up into the sled here, get it up into the truck, and we're gonna get out on the lake and try to catch some fish. What do you think, guys?
Yeah! The fish!
You ready to fish?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna take the kids with. Whoa! Did you just fall down? Oh, be careful. We're gonna take the kids with. Missie's gonna come with. We're gonna get out there and see if we can't catch some fish. I think the cows over there are wondering what in the world are we doing. We're gonna go fishing. You don't think they hear you? All right. All right, ready to go? All right. Yeah, we'll put that up in there and we'll get going, okay?
Oh.
All right, let's go.
A pizza? A pizza?
He's like, you got pizza, yep.
All right, we made it out to the lake here. The lake is down over that way. There's a couple smaller vehicles that are out there, but we're in the Suburban today, and I am not going to drive on the lake yet. Ice is a little thin yet to do that, so we're just going to take everything out. We got our sled here, and we're just going to pull it out there. We'll drill some holes. We'll get set up. We'll dig into that pizza that I got earlier, and we'll see if we can't catch some fish. I'm going to pull the sled today while everybody else walks. We got a truck too and a four-wheeler and everything. We could have went out there with that, but then we would have all been able to fit in there and had to take two vehicles, so that's all right. We'll just walk today.
Oh! Better? Okay. Coming. I'm coming. Careful.
We are actually on the ice now. First time we've been on frozen ice this year. So I want to go and be out kind of behind those houses over there. There's a few vehicles out here, but it's better to be safe than sorry. I don't know how thick the ice is. We haven't been out here yet, so. You having fun, James? Yeah? Should we go the rest of the way? All right, let's go.
It's okay, keep going. You'll catch up.
Oh, look.
You alright?
Oh, look. Somebody left. Look.
Yeah, you did.
All right. Well, we are pretty well set up in here. We'll rearrange our chairs a little bit more in a little bit. We got the heater going, so it's going to warm up in here really nice. We'll get a couple lines down, and then we're going to tear into that pizza.
Yeah.
What do you think, guys?
Yeah. Yeah. That's right. That's right.
All right, we got a couple of rods set up. This one here is set up with a plain hook and a crappie minnow. And then Jackson over here, he's got a tungsten jig with a waxy. And we'll see if we can get some crappies to bite or maybe a sunfish or two. We'll see, but right now, I'm getting hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
All right, we got a nice pizza here that we're gonna chow down on. So let's try this out here. All right.
There you go.
Mmm.
Yeah, I think you got it.
Mmm.
There you go.
It's cold.
Mmm. That is good. What do you think, James?
Good.
Are you good?
Delicious.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. All right, we're gonna chow down our pizza for a little bit, and we'll check back on you when we start catching fish. James got a fish. What is it? Oh, it's a sunfish. Did you get scared of it, buddy? Did you get scared when it came right up the hole? Should we try to get it off? All right. Is this your first fish of the ice fishing season, huh? It's a little guy. Should we go put him back in there? You gonna give him a kiss? All right. All right, let's throw him back down.
You can do this.
How much longer are we going to stay?
All night long, all night. James, you got one. You got one. You got one. You got one. Reel, reel, reel. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Tight. Go, go, go. Yeah, yeah, you go. You got him? There you go. Here. Good job. Little guy. He's a little guy. Give him this. Mwah. All right. Oh, another one for the ice there. All right, James. You want to pick another worm out? Or you want to just sit there? You want to pick another worm? Just set him on your seat.
I did, Mom.
You gonna pick a good worm?
That is
What?
the big one.
Huh?
That is.
You got him? Okay. Are you sure? You've been picking good ones. Is that a good one? Okay.
Here.
I'll tell you when. You just wait. Are you waiting?
Mom, sit down.
Yeah. Whoa. You good? You got your ice legs? Here you go.
We're seeing how long.
Here you go. You want to reel them?
Ah, I might get down.
Here, reel him in
Do
before
it.
he gets off.
Do it. I might get down.
Reel him in before he gets off.
Reel, reel, reel.
There you go.
Hi.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm fishing. What are you doing?
I'm Vicky.
Are you? You having fun fishing? Yeah.
Do bye-bye.
Hey, oh. Here, get him. Have you been catching lots of fish?
What did you
You
said
worms.
All right.
Father.
You gonna catch that one?
Yeah. Big one?
You gonna catch a big one? How big?
Small one.
Oh, you're gonna. That's your small one? There we go. Oh, Sonny. Yeah.
Here.
There. Reel him in. Reel him in. Reel him in. Is there fish there? Reel, 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 reel. Keep reeling. There's a fish. Woohoo!
I got you.
You came in here and caught a fish right away.
I already got one. I already got one. Thank you. You want one?
You gonna try to catch a minnow? Try to catch it.
Caught one. Hi, buddy.
Did you get one?
Oh, yeah, I got one.
Nice. Put him back in there.
Real?
Get him. Yep. Reel. Get him. Reel, reel, reel. You there? Yeah, I think so.
Oh boy.
Keep going.
That might be a big one.
Keep going.
Real.
Yeah, keep going. Nice.
That's a big one. Look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Good
So
job.
cool.
More.
That is huge.
That was a good worm, huh? Mwah, mwah.
No,
Mwah. Should we keep him?
yeah, more.
Tumba.
Yeah, more.
All right, it's the next day and we're ready to cook some of this fish.
Yeah.
You ready to eat this?
My hope.
You're gonna help? All right. So we are gonna do something a little different that we've never done before. We're gonna use some Frank's Red Hot hot sauce. We're gonna dredge the fish in that, and then we're gonna put it into this bag with some flour, and we have some garlic powder and stuff in there too. And then we're gonna take it over and throw it into some grease and get ourselves some nice fried fish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna probably take about half of that, and we'll put it in the
Yeah.
and we'll put it in the Frank's, and then we'll keep half out just in case it's too hot. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. These pieces of sunfish, completely bonus,
My hope.
and we're gonna dredge that into the Frank's.
My hope.
We won't be afraid to get our fingers a little wet here. We're gonna just sit that right in the bag here. Let's do another one. Grab one of those. Put it right in there. Good job. All right, I'll dredge it around. We'll get that covered up.
And
I'll stick it in there.
one.
That's a shake, okay?
Oh.
All right, we'll shake it and get all that.
My hope.
Yeah, go ahead. Shake it. Yeah. All right, let's get these out of here.
My after.
That's right. I want to shake off the extra. Put that down.
My turn. My turn.
All right, you help me.
Thank you.
Yep, put it right down there. All right. All right, we're gonna throw these right in the grease. So for the ones that we're not gonna put on Frank's, I'm gonna put some seasoned salt on.
Okay. Nice.
Yes. And some garlic powder. Okay, let's flip those over. Let's flip them over.
No, my dad too. Oh.
Alright, some more garlic powder. Okay. And some seasoned salt. Alright, now let's throw them in here. Alright guys, which one do you want to try first? You better try the non-spicy one first here, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, here. I'll give you a little piece. It's really hot though.
Oh, okay.
Like really hot. Like really, really hot. Let's cool down. That's the spicy. I'm not going for the spicy. Oh, who said Corona? Alright. Okay, we're gonna try this one.
Is it spicy?
That's pretty good. It's a little hot. It's pretty good though.
A little hot.
What do you think? You like that one? You wanna try this one? This is the regular garlic and seasoned salt. That's really good too.
Which one's your favorite?
Was it hot? Alright, did you try this one, Jackson?
Yeah.
I don't know if I got. Alright. Hey, why don't you try that?
That's really good.
Alright. Now try the Frank's hot one.
Okay.
I like the color on that one better.
Right, it does look really nice. There's a little more kick to it, a little more flavor to it.
Which one do you like?
I think this one's probably my favorite.
That one, yeah? What do you think? Which one's your favorite?
That one.
That one?
No?
Yeah, the garlic and seasoned salt one. Jackson, which one was your favorite?
Both.
Both? Yeah. Well, I think they were both pretty good too. I did like the Frank's Hot's pretty good. It gives it a really barbecue flavor. And is it spicy for you? Yeah. Well, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that bell so you get all the notifications when we upload a video. And as always, remember, take a kid on an outdoors adventure.